Hi guys, welcome back to the corel training. In this lecture we'll create a logo of Pepsi, which will be a basic logo like BBC and LG. Just go to this ellipse tool, take it and press enter from your keyboard and just draw a simple circle. After that just go to this tool, freehand tool, and you will need to draw a straight line. So just press shift so it will be straight. This is okay. Now just click this shape tool and convert this line to curve. Right click it and to curve. After that just hold this point and make it like this to up side. That's it. It will be like this. Now just select this pick tool and take a copy of this by using Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, so that copy will be placed on the same place. Now just drag it by using the arrow key, down arrow key. So this is the simplest shape. Now if you want to put the color, then select the smart fill tool, go there, first check what color is above. There is, here will be red color and here will be blue color. So first select blue. Blue color is selected already, put it here. Now select red color, put it here, and now remove the borders from every corner, from here as well as from here. So that's it. Very simple logo you have, and you can add a border to this main shape. So this is the logo basically we have created right now using very simple technique. Something like we just draw a line, and using that we have created this shape and just put a color using this smart fill tool. We put a color here and put a color here, and this is the simple Pepsi logo. If you want to write a text over it, you can write, but I wanted to actually tell you how you can easily create the simple logos like Pepsi and like LG and like BBC.